Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off and on Vanish mode on Instagram. So in Vanish mode, you can send text messages, photos and videos to the person you are chatting with. Once you exit Vanish mode, the messages will disappear and you won't be able to see them again unless you took a screenshot before leaving the conversation. Vanish mode is a useful feature for people who want to have temporary conversations that disappear after they are over. So first of all, you have to open the Instagram application in your mobile and then go for this messenger icon in the top right corner and then open any conversation here. In order to enable Vanish mode, swipe up from the bottom like this and you can see that Vanish mode is enabled. You can see that it says you turn on Vanish mode and the seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. And if you want to disable it, then swipe up one more time. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.